Okay, so the concerto in G major, I think one of the trickier parts about this is the rhythm when, like starting at bar 7, when you have 1, da, 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 da. So try to do sort of physical thing. My teacher would always tell me to breathe for that rest. So don't pretend like the rest is nothing. Pretend like the rest is a note that's just silent, and then you won't have so much trouble counting it. So it's really da 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 da. So I'm gonna go 1. Okay, so I was always told to do a breath. If that doesn't work for you, just count it like it's a note. 1. Okay, whatever it is you want to do, but that's going to help you stay on rhythm. And then the other thing is too, I find it easier if I have my bow pressed down on the string sort of, so that I'm ready to go, because that break is really, really short, right? So you're going to go press, because if you let go, then you have to put it back down. Oh, that's kind of messy. So keep it down. Keep it down. 1, 2. Okay? Probably it's a little bit hard to make everything even because there are so many 16th notes. So I always like to practice my 16th notes dotted one way and then dotted the other way. So I'll explain what I mean by that. So I'm just going to take like bar 3. So I'm going to go. Okay, so I'm going to go long, short, long, short, long, short. Do that a few times. Pretend like I've done that a bunch of times, and then you're going to flip it around and go short, long. So okay, so one more time. And if you notice, my bow is kind of like going different ways because it's going long, short, but that's okay. Don't worry about that. What that's going to do is, the reason why sometimes it's uneven is your fingers are like different lengths. They're also, some of them are stronger than others. Your pinky finger is obviously weaker than your index finger, for example, right? So they'll go at different speeds. And what doing the long, short, short, long thing is going to do is just going to even it out. So after you've done that, you're going to play it slowly but evenly. Okay? And then do that a few times, and then slowly speed it up. Never speed up quickly. I mean, never just go from slow to fast. A little bit at a time. And if you find that, again, it's getting uneven or it's out of tune, go back to going. Blah, blah, blah. All right. Bar 45, there's kind of a funny little A sharp thing, and there's no fingering written in my book. Maybe there is on yours, but I would do the fingering like this. You're going to go 2, 1, then slide down, go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then open string. Okay, so I'm gonna do that one more time. It goes. And I think that's gonna be a little bit easier. Otherwise, if you don't slide down and do a half position, you're gonna have to go. It's just kind of messy. I think you don't really want to slide around too much. All right, I think that's about it.